How to log in Edgenuity account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Edgenuity account online. For this, open up any web browser and you can head over to edgenuity.com or also imaginelearning.com. Now, on this page, in order to log in, you first of all want to click on the login option at the top right corner. Then it's going to redirect you to a different page. On this page, you first of all have to select your product by name. Click on this drop down menu and you have different options here. Select the one that says Imagine My Path. Now it's going to take you over here. You simply want to click on the Students option. Now on the login portal, you want to enter the username, then enter your password and now click on the login option. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password option in order to reset your password. If you are an educator and you want to log into your account, click on the Educator option, enter your username and password, and click on the Login option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.